Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm showing you how to build that train. Alright, so take one of these, if you have one, because I don't know if you do. And then take 4 of these little gray things, and they need to be gray. Alright, and then plop them on there. Plop those suckers on there, like that. On the sides, and here we go, like that. Alright, so we want to take 2 of these, doesn't matter which color they are. I'm just showing you what parts to take, not specific colors. Just kind of stuttering there. Sorry about that. And put them on here like that in front of here. And then take one of these things. Doesn't matter which color again. Put it on here. Doesn't matter which color. A 1x4. Put it on there like that. Alright, so you want to take 2 of these round things. Doesn't matter which color. I'm just telling you what parts to take. 2 of these. And then put them on here like that. And take one of these little tiny things. These things. And put one on the front like that. Take one of these funnel-like things. The sloped edges. Dropped it. The hollow inside, and then put it on there like that. So you want to take one of these, doesn't matter which color, and put it on there like that, back of there like that. There we go, there's the cab, and then the roof, just one of these weird thingies. Put it on here like that, and voila, you got the train. Alright, so here's how to build it. The tender, it won't take very long. Alright, so take one of these things, and doesn't matter which color on the tender too. Like that. There we go, put it on there like that, in the middle. And take one of these, put it on here like this, like that, and take one of these flat 1x1s, put it on there like that, doesn't matter which way, and then take one of these sloped thingies. Has to be black. And then put it on here like this. It has to be like that. Alright, so there's the tender, as you can see. Look up at the top of the screen. There it is. Alright, so now to build the passenger car. So this isn't complicated at all. Just like the tender. Now the train was a little complicated. The locomotive itself. Alright, so take one of these. Doesn't matter which color for the cars too. Except for these things. Right here, put them on like this. Say 1x3. There you go. You need 2 of these little tiny wheelie things. Alright, take another one of these. Doesn't matter which color. Kind of looks like a white passenger car, actually. White pass railroad. Take one of these. Plop it on here. There you go. So take 3 of these. Put them on here. Just like that. And there you go. There you go. There's your passenger car. Now, you guys might be wondering what these 4 pieces are for. Let me show you. It's to make some smoke. So you want to have this upside down, and they have to be white and gray, alright? And then do that, like this, just one after another. Now they have to be exactly like this, the exact same color, but if you don't want the smoke, that's fine. Alright, plop it on here. And there we go. We got the entire train set up. Alright, so you don't have to use the smoke or anything, but yeah, there we go. You can add additional cars to it. I don't care what you do, I just care if you enjoy it. I really am enjoying it because it's cute. It's really cute. Well, bye, and I will see you soon in another video. Alright, bye. See ya.